Medellin's Comuna 13. Once the most dangerous neighborhood in the world. Today, it is the most visited spot in South America. But behind the neon murals, the street food, and the breakdancing, there is a complex system of rules that you won't see on Instagram. In this current guide, we go beyond the colorful stairs to uncover the dark history, the real costs, and the invisible borders that every foreigner must respect. Stick around, because the most important safety tip for this hill is something you would never expect. The scars of Operation Orion. To walk these streets without knowing their history is a mistake. For decades, Comuna 13 was a war zone. Because of its location on the mountainside, it was a strategic corridor for moving weapons and drugs out of the city. In 2002, the Colombian government launched Operation Orion, a massive military intervention involving helicopters and over 1,000 troops. The scars of that week are still etched into these brick walls. The transformation began with the outdoor escalators, but don't be fooled. The peace here is a managed peace. In this current video, we have to be honest, while the neighborhood is open to the world, the local community and social structures are what keep it running. Navigating the invisible borders. Is it safe for a solo traveler? On the main path of the escalators eléctricas, the answer is a resounding yes. The community protects the tourists because tourism is now their lifeline. But here is where travelers dar Papaya. The invisible borders. Comuna 13 is massive. The safe zone is actually quite small. If you decide to wander into the side alleys because it looks authentic, you are crossing lines you cannot see. These are residential areas where the local combos or gangs still maintain control. Pro tip: if you see a group of young men watching you from a corner as you move away from the tourist path, turn back. Also, be careful with your gear. Professional cameras are fine on the main balconies, but avoid walking through the lower San Javier streets with your phone out. Avoiding the Gringo Tax. Don't let the excitement make you lose your cool or your cash. In this current guide, here is the breakdown of what you should be paying of the metro. A ride to San Javier station is roughly 3,500 to 4,000 COP of the green bus, from the station to the start of the stairs. It's about 2,000 COP. Or a 15-minute walk of the free walking tours. Remember, they aren't actually free. The guides work for tips. A fair tip for a good experience is 50,000 COP, about 12 to 13 US dollars, per person. Street food, the famous crema de mango, is a must. It should cost you between 6,000 and 8,000 COP. If they ask for 15,000, you're being taxed for being a tourist. Comuna 13 is a powerful example of how a community can rise from the ashes. It is beautiful, vibrant, and deep. But after the intensity of the hills, you might want something a bit more relaxed. In our next video, we are staying in the city of Eternal Spring to explore a completely different vibe. We are taking the cable car even higher to the forest of Papaya. Is the hike into the woods safe for foreigners, or are the rumors of trail robberies true? Subscribe now so you don't miss that survival guide. Travel smart, stay alert, and as always, don't give papaya.